So here is another organ move. We got a storage locker chock full of organ parts to be loaded into vehicles. That vehicle, my van, and this man is the owner of all this stuff. Look at all this. What?
My kids are going to hate me.
Yeah.
I have to load this out of the house.
Yeah, that's a long time from now, Ryan.
Hopefully.
And so the fun begins. All that stuff has got to get moved out, and some of it's stuffed in there, some in there, some in this pickup truck.
What chest work do you have it?
Wow.
I have that.
Wurlitzer chests are heavy.
Are you good with this mic?
As long as I'm not lifting it,
And you're looking good on the dolly. There we go. It's on.
great. Yeah, I was out for a bike ride 2 minutes ago. And I had a huge hole on the trail.
So the storage locker is getting emptied.
I got something from him. 11 minutes ago he called. He's probably sitting at the front gate.
He didn't text me or call me.
Well, they've got this thing loaded. The little hole in the front end. My. Hope the tire don't blow.
Watch that. Now you can take a picture.
There it goes. Lots of organ chests and parts in this trailer.
Looks like crap.
Here's my van all stuffed with parts.
Oh, here, there's a lot of room left.
Ryan says there's more room in my van.
There's room left. We'll make this work. Oh yeah, look at that.
There you
Get
go.
a lot more in there.
And this is where all those parts are going to go.
Oh no, in the basement.
Oh, in the basement.
Oh, you betcha.
What's going out here? The blower?
Just things we can't carry down the stairs. Yeah, that was fun.
Real work for the organ.
Nice. Yep. I'm so happy that that he was willing to tell them.
Alright, what's the sub under the piano for?
Oh, the sound system. We've got 8 speakers in the ceiling. And
The organ that we took out of the Dale Williams organ originally, a few videos ago.
Gary, go to the back of the console.
So how are you going to fit 100 people in there?
We're going to have to go out that way.
Okay.
I lit it up like a Christmas tree for you.
Wow.
So that's Uniflex, and it talks to
Uniflex 4000.
And now that's
Looks like a Behringer mixer down there.
What the hell? So what's all playing on this now, Ryan?
So the console is Uniflex, and so actually so the only thing that's actually connected that's real is that piano. So the piano tabs work on the back rail and the accompaniment. But go ahead and try it. Try to keep a tune with the piano on. There's a firmware setting in the LX that adds it adds a second of delay. The use of bottom is general.
The piano's not...
It's not sitting down.
Use the rail for the solo. Yeah, it's quite interesting playing.
It sounds really strange.
Alright, let's keep moving.
So this is where most of the organ parts are going.
And then there'll be a wall here constructed so that it's not a square box, just with a slight curve.
Grill work to the upper floor. Looks very nice.
And blowers. So the lower room is going to be here, and the whole floor has hydronic heat coils in it. The chamber has its own zone, and I purposefully have them take all the coils out and this line over. So the wall will be here, one lower here, one lower there, and then the air conditioning in the middle, the vacuum pump in here, and two rotary face converters, and then there are a wind line. Yeah, after we had them up, they took them down. And they ripped out cabling and everything else.
Did you make them put the cable back in?
No, they wouldn't take any responsibility for any of it, nor would they pay for the $400 in
This is weird.
just
Yeah.
seesaw.
Oh, well, it started Williams' apartment.
Quite a house.
Hey, do that again.
God help us, I
Do
think
that
I'm
again.
recording it.
I've got 4.
Remembering you.
Well, this load's almost unloaded. I'm pooped. My van is unloaded. And I'm done for the day. But
We should grab the rest out of your truck, eh? You have the
let's make a
I have
trip
a lot in my car yet.
down to the basement. So, over there is a big pile of pipes just got moved down there. More stuff. There's a Dean Roscoe.
Hi.
Wow.
A lot of stuff.
And believe it or not, all this stuff is going to go together one day. Swell shades over there. Regulators. Wow. Lots of work involved.